Greetings auto enthusiasts. Today, we're going to take a look at the 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE, a new model that will replace the current CLS and E-Class Coupe. The CLE is a four-door coupe that will slot between the C-Class and the S-Class, and will offer a stylish design and powerful performance. The CLE will have a sleek and elegant look, with a long hood, a sloping roofline, and a short rear. The front will have a large grille with the star emblem, and slim LED headlights. The rear will have a wide tailgate with integrated spoiler, and horizontal LED taillights. The interior will be luxurious and spacious, with leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, and ambient lighting. The car will also have a digital dashboard, a large touchscreen infotainment system, and a head-up display. The car will also have advanced safety and assistance features, such as blind spot monitor, lane keep assist, and parking assist. The CLE will offer a range of petrol and diesel engines, as well as hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. The petrol engines will include a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder with 255 horsepower, and a 3.0-liter turbocharged six-cylinder with 362 horsepower. The diesel engines will include a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder with 194 horsepower, and a 3.0-liter turbocharged six-cylinder with 282 horsepower. The hybrid engines will include a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder with 315 horsepower, and a 3.0-liter turbocharged six-cylinder with 376 horsepower. Both hybrid engines will have a 48-volt mild hybrid system that will boost power and efficiency. The car will also have a choice of rear-wheel or all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. The CLE will compete with other premium four-door coupes in the market, such as the Audi A7, the BMW 6 Series Gran Coupe, and the Porsche Panamera. The car is expected to have a starting price of around €60,000 in Europe, and will be available in different trim levels and colors. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more auto news and reviews. See you next time.